On my dive today, I found this nasty snorkel. How long has this thing been there? Because it looks rugged. So anyways, I'm out diving with Brittany, our friend Gabby, and her boyfriend Evan. Brittany got these new fins, so she wants to show them off. So she dove down and pulled up the sand. Then Evan was like, dude, I have to show you this hole that I discovered. And I was like, wow, I love seeing new holes. Then a pod of dolphins swam right up to us. It's really important not to approach dolphins, so we're gonna sit completely still. Anyways, back to Brittany's fins. They have like a mandala pattern. It's so cool. Gabby, what are you doing with your GoPro out of its case?
Don't drop it.
I hope that thing's waterproof. Okay, that's all the stuff we saw. Bye.